Ever wished your Android screen would just stay on for that crucial moment? Well, today we're diving deep into your Android settings to make sure your screen never turns off automatically, perfect for presentations or any task that needs constant visibility. First things first, locate and tap on the Settings app icon. It usually looks like a gear. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and find the option related to your screen's display. This is commonly labeled Display or Display and Brightness. Tap on that. Now, within the display settings, you'll see an option for screen timeout or sometimes sleep. This is what controls how long your screen stays active before dimming and turning off. Tap on screen timeout. You'll see a list of time durations, like 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and so on. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom. You should find an option that says never or keep screen on or something similar. Tap on that to select it. And there you have it. Your Android phone screen is now set to stay on indefinitely. Just remember, while this is incredibly useful, it can also drain your battery faster. So, it's a good idea to keep an eye on your battery level, or plug in your phone when you're using this feature for extended periods. Enjoy your always-in display.